Here, let's see how to book the Tatkal ticket for sleeper class. So it will be available exact at 11. So you can directly go to IRCTC app, and then you can just log into this particular application by using the biometric. You can just select the book ticket option, and then just select the date when you would like to have it. So one day prior you should do it. So I'm just going to take the Tuesday here. So for tomorrow I'm going to book today at exactly 11. Okay. So I'm looking for Tatkal. Just search for the trains. So it will show the available trains. I'm going to use the Belagavi SPC Express. So once exactly 11, so it will automatically show you the availability. You could see it's showing available there. Just click on it and then just click on OK. Select the existing passenger details, everything I had filled before. So you can even do that. So once you do that, you can just select the consider for auto-accreditation and also the payment method. And here in the payment method, I would like to use the UPI, so it is again faster. Even the net banking is also, wallet is also fast. Yeah, so I'm just going to enter the captcha here. So once you do that, just click on proceed to pay. It will take you to the PhonePe directly. So once you do that, here you can just select the PhonePe application. Just click on proceed to pay and just select the PhonePe option. It will directly take you to the PhonePe app. There you just need to select your bank account and pay it. Once you make the payment, it shows it's successful again, and it will launch back to the IRCTC app, and it will just process and it shows your ticket has been booked. Okay, this is how you can just book the ticket. Yeah, thank you.